Today's workout is a 10-minute better health workout. This is about taking control of our future health. So how it's going to work, we've got 10 minutes, it's low impact cardio. I'm also going to show you a seated option of each move. So if you've got limited mobility or recovering from an injury, you can still join in. So we're going to start with a quick warm up. So just follow along. All we're going to do is just give me these little elbow bends. So you're either doing seated or standing. This is just about mobilizing your joints. So now just take your arms in front and just give me 10 of these. This is just preparing your body for the workout ahead. Drawing those arms back, and now let's just reach across, just do these little waist twists. This will just help increase your core body temperature and also increase our flexibility. And now we can just have a preview of the first move. So if you're standing, we're going to do these clap up, clap down. If you're seated, we're going to do a clap and a knee raise. So just simply choose your position and we're going to start now. So you're going to do this for 45 seconds. The arrow in the middle, that represents the 45 seconds for the exercise. You got your time bar at the top. So let's have some fun with this workout. This is about you and I taking control of your future health. This is also really good if anyone has pre-diabetes type 2. Let's reverse this with exercise. Let's get healthy, fit and strong. All right, that's good. So let's just keep going. So if you're doing the seated, keep that upper body nice and straight. Draw those knees up. Give me that clap. If you're doing the standing one, let's have fun with it. Reach up low, then reach up high. And well done. So that is exercise 1 done, and we've just got 9 to go. So let's have a little preview at the next move. So seated, we're going to do a knee to then straight leg. And if we're standing, we're doing exactly the same. So get ready. So knee lift, straight leg, knee lift, straight leg. So again, and you choose standing or seated. This is great perhaps if you're recovering from an injury or you have limited mobility. Keep that upper body nice and straight. Keep those core muscles pulled in. And if you're not already, come find me on Facebook. Every Tuesday I do a live, and that gives you a great opportunity if you want to ask anything about health and fitness. So let's just keep going. This move here, a great full body move. And in today's workout, I'm focusing every component of fitness. We're working your mobility, your joint health, your flexibility, coordination, and we're working your muscular strength and endurance and your cardiovascular fitness. All right, let's have a little look at your next move coming up. This is a great chance for you to get your heart rate back down for a little bit. So we're going to do power punches, reaching across and then up. So let's get ready. Give me a single, single, then double up. Single, single, double and double. That's good. And let's have fun with this, and let's really appreciate both you and I right now how incredible your body is. It's letting you do this workout. Never take anything for granted. Our health is the most important thing we have, and that's why we're here today. Not to change our bodies, but just to take control of our health. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. So if you're seated, keep those core muscles pulled in really tight. They are supporting the spine. That's what's keeping us really strong and upright. And there she's back, Princess Sultana, in and out. All right, well done. And let's just take that to that recovery. Deep breath in, deep breath out. So we'll have a look at your next move. So this one here, if you're standing, we're just going to go from side to side doing a kick. Seated, we're going to do a kick and take that leg across. Work through your fullest range of motion. If you are seated, limited mobility and struggle perhaps with working the legs, then just focus on doing the arms, and you could then add in a punch across with this. You know, adapt the workout to suit you. Give me that kick, power kick. That's good. Just think we're getting fitter, we're getting stronger. And the workout we do today is what's going to help us feel better tomorrow. All right, that's good. Keeping that focused. All the way. Again, each move's approximately 45 seconds. And well done. All right, deep breath in, deep breath out. There's your recovery. and we'll have a little look at the next move. So the next one, we're working through the waist and the core. So we're just going to do these seated twists. If you're standing, we're doing the same, but we're going to travel that forwards and backwards. So hands are together and just reach around. Just imagine you're in a canoe and you're going from one side to the other. And equally, come and find me on Instagram. Lots of, I do my lives every Tuesday, and lots of pictures of the princess pretty cats as well. All right, that's good. Keep that upper body nice and tall. Keep strong, keep focused. And so this is just a 10-minute workout. And what they do suggest now, research is we're better off doing shorter workouts, but doing them frequently throughout the day. So I'm suggesting you do this in the morning, then later on in the afternoon. And you can follow this workout for 7 days, because then I've got 3 more for you. So you've got a whole series. All right, let's just now take that to that recovery and have a look at the next move. So this one, we're going to do power punches, and then we do a straight leg kick. So get ready, arms up, give me a kick, and then power punch. So we do a kick for 3, power punch for 3. So really fun move here. This is incredible at your heart health. We are burning huge amounts of calories because we're working multiple muscle groups. We're getting fit, we're getting strong, we're getting healthy. This is everything we need in a workout. It's body weight, it's cardiovascular. We're combining both. We're not doing isolated moves. We're getting your heart rate up. That's why it's so powerful. Keeping that going, keep that nice and strong. And the second time you come back to do this workout, as I always say, you don't have to have me coaching you. Put on your favourite music, hit that mute button, but do let me know in the comments down below what songs you listen to, what your playlist was. So next move, let's do a little skater's lunge with a push down. We've got it seated or standing. And of course, and she's back. And the other option is you might want to in the morning do it standing. Later on in the day, you might want to do it seated. And one of the main reasons I wanted to do this challenge is that I'd seen alarming rates of the amount of people worldwide that were pre-diabetes type 2, and exercise is a really great way to help reverse that. So that's why I wanted to create these workouts. All right, that's good. So let's just keep going until that arrow reaches the top. She's backwards and forwards today, Princess Sultana. All right, that's it. Nearly done. And well done. All right, just take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and we'll have a little look at what your next move is. So for this one, we're just going to imagine that we're reaching down, then we're going to put something up on a shelf in the corner. So let's just bend down if you're doing the seated and reach it across. Bend down. Imagine you've got a box. We're going to put it down, then we're going to put it up on a shelf. So standing. So imagine we're doing that deep squat, then lift that box up. If you're doing the squat on the standing, just make sure those knees don't come over the line, the toes. Doing really well. So nice, deep, powerful move. Again, this is a full body move. By doing the full body move, it means we're working multiple muscle groups. So this is where we're going to get super effective results with this workout. That's good. Keeping that nice and controlled. So it's that bend through the knees and just lift up. And just take that deep breath in, deep breath out. Good. And then we'll have a look at the next move coming up. For this one, what we're going to do, we're going to have your arms crossed over your chest for 4 knee lifts, and then we just imagine we're sprinting for 4. All right, so really fun move. Cross those arms over the chest, give me 4, and then give me 4 really fast feet sprints. So just keep alternating. Really powerful move this. So if you're standing, you can travel forwards for 4 of those knee lifts and sprint back for 4. And keeping that going. And equally, if anyone wanted a more detailed plan, then I do have my Walk Fit, Tone Up and Eat Well. It's a 21-day online course. I'll leave all the details in the description down below. So if you're doing this seated, what I want you to do is keep that upper body nice and straight. Power it through those arms, and you give me those 4 knee lifts. So it's these quick transitions of these moves is how we're really getting that heart rate up. We're also working your coordination and motor skills. All right, deep breath in, deep breath out, and we'll have a look at the final move today. How did she appear there, Princess Sultana? All right, so last move, we're going to do power punches with a heel dig. And if we're standing, what we're going to do is let's just really put some power in these punches now. Have fun, bend through the knees, travel around the room, and just keep celebrating. You are getting fit, healthy, and strong. As I always say, all we need in life, health and happiness, and you have won the lottery. That's all it's about. And keeping that going, punch through those arms. And she is really here today a lot, isn't she, Princess Sultana? Last week, I think we had Princess Raisin, or I think next week you have Princess Raisin. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. Last little bit. Put more power behind each of those final punches. You are strong, you are super fit, and well done. All right, just shake out those arms, take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Let's slowly get the heart rate back down. And I'm going to leave a link to a cool down stretch in the description down below for you to follow. There is your high five, and what I've done as your online trainer and you have done, we've both just invested in your future health. And remember, all we're striving for is health and happiness. If you have those two things, you have everything.